Keep breathing, keep your spine straight. Very good for digestion and all the organs. Change. Pancreas activation. Yeah, keep your back straight. Very important. Massaging your kidney, pancreas, spleen. Change. Keep breathing, सांस लें. Change. Keep breathing. And now join both the feet together. That's it. And hold. Keep your back straight. Not like this. Keep it straight. All your organs of the abdominal are getting massaged. Very good. Now, finally, 2 more to go. So keep your feet like this. This is called Bhardas twist. Very good for the spine. There was a yogi. This is after his name, called Bhardas Yogi. So put your feet like this around the corner of the mat and drop your feet like this. Yeah. So this will come here. This, your foot will touch the thighs. That's it. Yeah. Got it? Now you have to go back. Twist back, put your head down. Yeah, put your head down. Try to touch and keep breathing. And feel the changes within. The body is totally twisted. Toxins getting accumulated, they're getting released from the kidney. Keep breathing at the same time, touching your forehead on the ground. A great spinal twist to make your spine healthy. Come back. Let's go back as it is on the other side. So keep feet, drop it here. That's it. Yeah, go back and put your head down. And keep breathing at the same time. Be there for 15 seconds. And come back. Come back. Very good. Let's go back. Now this is called same position. Come to this position. This touching my thigh. That's it. Stand straight. Now you will take both the hands up. Now we'll fall down towards your knee. Whole body will go towards the knee. Down. And put your head down also. Yeah, and keep breathing. Totally, बिल्कुल नीचे आ जाना. You have to come down completely. Right on your thigh. Activation of the liver for the tummy fat and for sciatica nerve. Keep breathing at the same time. And come back. Now change. As it is on the other side also we'll do. Again we'll fold it like this. Put this inside and we'll go toward. The whole body will rest towards the knee. Go down. Exhale karte hue. Breathe out completely. And completely. Come back. Relax. Very good. Finally, we'll do Janu Sirsasana. Are you all right? Good.
Excellent.
Okay. Very nice. We'll do finally this and then we'll sit back. So you have to keep both the feet straight, extended like this. Now you will fold one knee, put it in inner thigh. That's it. And first go back and stretch your body. Put your hands at the back, stretch. Come back. Now you will take your hands up and we will do 3 times movement and fourth we will hold. 1, touch your toe, 2, 3, and now you hold. Try to touch your toes. Hold it down. Drop your head down. Tuck your tummy inside. Keep doing. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep breathing. Feel nice and deep stretch on the spine. Come back. Change. Other way around. Change the position. Very good for the back. 3 times. Exhale. When you come down, you have to breathe out. 2, 3, 4, and hold. catch your toes if you can. Wherever you can, bring your hands to. And drop your head down, tuck the tummy inside. Keep breathing. Relax. Now, take both the feet straight, like this. Fold your knees, that's it. Shoulder width apart. And now take both the hands like this at the back. Now you will do 2 times Uttanasana. We will lift our body and drop your head back. Lift on the fingers, yes. Strengthening. Keep breathing. Down. Come down. Once again. Keep your feet little forward, little forward, little forward. Dr. Dugal, keep it little forward. Your feet, feet. That's it, that's it. Up. Down. Once again. Up. Down. Come back. Now sit back. There's no light at the background. At the background. Yeah. Nice, little better. Good. Okay. Now, first of all, we will take both the hands and we'll do Parvatasana just once, and then we will begin 10 minutes Kapal Bhati. Parvatasana. So stretch like this. Stretch them up and keep breathing. Close your eyes and try to touch your biceps on your ears and imagine and feel that the blood circulation from your hands coming down, going towards your shoulders, deltoid, and then moving towards your lungs and heart, and then going towards your gut, your tummy, your shoulders, your spinal cord, strengthening every part of the body. Feel very light. Keep breathing at the same time. Keep stretching. And down, exhale. Let's do one more time. Inhale, breathe in completely, interlock your fingers like that, stretch and keep breathing. And relax. Very good. Okay, we'll do now Kapalabhati Pranayam. So you keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra. Very good. It's actually keep the VP normal and will good for concentration. Dhyan Mudra, Gyan Mudra. Yeah, very good. Touching the tip of the finger. Now put your hands on your thighs like this. Now we'll do Kapalbhati Pranayam. Yeah, बिल्कुल relax करना है. Try to keep your spine straight. And when you get exhausted, you can relax. But spine has to be straight. So we have to exhale. So set an alarm. 10 मिनट का alarm set कर दें विनय जी. Done. Good. Let's begin. Focus on your tummy, and as if your tummy going in. And you're only exhaling from your nostril out. So your nostril is throwing out all the toxins. Head little, keep your head little down. That's it. Chin straight. Keep doing exhalation. Good, good. Exhale, keep exhaling and imagine that every stroke is a remedy. It's like a medicine for us. So you can put one hand on the, just put one hand on the tummy. Yeah. And whenever you give jerk, push it inside a little bit. Yeah. Good. And only focus here. Good, good. You're doing good. Exhale only. We have to imagine that every part of the body is becoming healthier. Detoxification is happening. All the organs of the abdominal cavity will be massaged, like kidneys, liver, spleen, heart, lungs, all of them. It will help the kidney to function properly. It also addresses the diabetes and cleanse the mind, detoxification. Now you can move your hands and focus on nostril now, as if you're throwing out all the toxin from your nostril, only nostril. If you get tired, you can relax. You can do the forward bend, backward bend, and then restart. Very important. Focusing only on your nostril right now, and this way we are conditioning the mind. First, we focus on the hara. This is called solar plexus, which is the center of all energy in the body, and then we're focusing on nostril. And we are feeling also at the same time that while we are making a stroke, we're throwing out all the carbon dioxide. We're throwing out all the toxins which get accumulated on daily basis, and cleansing the head, cleansing the mind. ध्यान मुद्रा सही करेंगे. Keep remaining finger straight and touching the tip of the thumb and index, and keeping the spine straight, very important. Few more minutes left. Keep doing, very important. And you can stop for the timing. You can take couple of breath, long deep breath. And then you begin. Resume. Very important. Kapalabhati. Reversing the age. Longevity. Yoga is all about breaking the habits. It's all about activating every organ of the body, every cell, every tissue, every organ, system. Body, mind, soul, and intellect. When they are in balance, we're healthy. That's what yoga gives. Alignment is very important. S curvature. We need to have S curvature of the body. Comfortably, without straining the face, without making the face. Keep detoxifying, increasing energy of the body.